Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best remote car starter is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories for enhancing comfort and convenience, especially during extreme weather conditions. It lets you preheat or pre-cool your car from the comfort of your home or office, saving you time and ensuring a pleasant driving experience. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect remote car starter for your vehicle, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience. Number 5. Compustar CS7900-AS. Experience the ultimate in vehicle security and remote start with the Compustar CS7900-AS. It's an all-in-one system that gives you peace of mind. This system boasts an impressive 3,000-foot range, allowing you to control your vehicle from a significant distance. Enjoy the convenience of remote start from virtually anywhere within range. It features a two-way interactive LCD remote. This provides visual and audible confirmation that your commands have been received and executed by your vehicle. It comes equipped with intelligent sensors for doors, hood, trunk, and impact detection. You'll receive alerts directly to your remote if any intrusion is detected. The system includes everything you need: a control module, shock sensor, siren, and LED. It's a comprehensive security solution for your vehicle. For optimal performance and to avoid any issues, professional installation of this system is recommended. Additional parts may be required for certain vehicles and are sold separately. What we like. It boasts an impressive 3,000-foot range, ensuring reliable control from a distance. The two-way LCD remote provides visual and audible confirmation of commands, eliminating any guesswork. If you prioritize security and long-range control, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Performance Tool W80586 Remote Starter. This heavy-duty remote starter makes starting your car or truck engine a breeze, even from a distance. It's perfect for maintenance and saves you time and effort. With this remote starter, you can easily start and crank your engine from either side of the vehicle all by yourself. No need for a second person. It features 5-foot-long, heavy-duty leads made of oil and grease-resistant wire. This ensures durability and reliable performance in tough conditions. The high current capacity push-button switch provides long life and reliable operation. It's built to last and withstand frequent use. A safety feature is included: a red light glows when it's connected to a hot circuit, providing an extra layer of protection. Work safely and confidently. The main body houses a robust 4-ton hydraulic hand pump, ensuring reliable operation and long-lasting performance. It's built to handle the demands of tough jobs. What we like. This heavy-duty remote starter is built to last, withstanding tough conditions. The convenient push-button switch makes operation simple and reliable. If you need a robust and easy-to-use system for demanding environments, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as it should. Great for working on autos, motorcycles, etc. Good quality. This is a very good quality switch, far better than those cheapies at the auto parts store. I used it to test my '92 Cherokee and it functioned perfectly. The boots protecting the clips are thick and durable and the 5-foot cables are perfect. A handy tool to turn over an engine when you have no one around to help you. Worked flawlessly. I did notice the little red light that tells you when its power didn't come on the second time I used it, but might have been I had the wires backwards to put current to the right side of the light. Other than that, it's a good tool to have in your toolbox. Number 3. Compustar CS7900-AS Remote Start. Experience the freedom of remote car starting with the Compustar CS7900-AS. It's a reliable and easy-to-use system that will change the way you interact with your vehicle. With its impressive 1,500-foot range, you can start your car from a significant distance. Enjoy the convenience of preheating or pre-cooling your vehicle before you even get close. This system comes with 2 4-button remotes, making it simple to start, lock, unlock, and even pop your trunk. Everything is at your fingertips. It's an all-in-one bundle, including the CM900 control module and everything you need for a seamless installation. No need to source additional parts. It's built for exceptional performance and longevity. It's also safe for diesel engines and features a long-lasting battery. For optimal performance, we highly recommend professional installation. Some vehicles may require additional parts, sold separately. Please note that this system is designed for automatic vehicles only. It's not compatible with manual transmission vehicles. What we like. It offers a reliable 1,500-foot range, making it suitable for most needs. The simple one-way remote is easy to use and understand. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, this is a great choice. What people say. This remote start works great, so much so that it outlasted my work beater. I would definitely buy again. I liked this setup enough that I actually took it back out of the car before taking it to the junkyard. It does exactly what it says it does. It is a great, inexpensive one-way remote starter. Easy installation and works great. Range is very good. Pleased with unit. Number 2. StartX Remote Starter Kit. Introducing the StartX Remote Starter Kit. It lets you start your 2007 to 2013 Silverado or Sierra from anywhere, warming it up before you even get inside. Installation is a breeze with this kit's plug-and-play design. It takes about 20 minutes and includes a T-harness to avoid any wire cutting. Follow the easy step-by-step video guide. This kit is designed for 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models with key-blade ignition systems and automatic transmissions. It's important to check vehicle compatibility before purchasing. Enjoy the convenience of warming up your vehicle remotely on cold days. Extend its range even further with an optional long-range RF kit or cell phone module. Use your existing key fob for operation. StartX is committed to quality. It's designed and engineered in North America, and our expert support team is always here to help. What we like. It features a simple plug-and-play design, making installation a breeze. The kit is specifically designed for certain Chevy and GMC models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you value ease of installation and a seamless integration with your vehicle, this is the ideal option. What people say. Works as described. There are videos online to help with programming. This is a truly plug-and-play product. Very quick install as long as you follow the instructions. Had my doubts about it being that easy to install in my 2012 2500 HD, but 5 minutes I had it wired up, plug and play, and programmed. Took longer to put covers back on and tie up with zip ties. Number 1. StartX Honda Civic Remote Start. Introducing the StartX Remote Start Kit, designed for your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. It lets you start your car remotely, warming it up on cold mornings or cooling it down on hot days. This kit features a unique StartX T-harness for a simple installation. No wire splicing or cutting is needed. It plugs right into your car's existing connectors. StartX is a North American leader in plug-and-play remote start systems. It's designed and engineered here, with US-based tech support to assist you. This kit is specifically designed for 2006 to 2011 Honda Civics. Please note, it is not compatible with hybrid models. Start it using your existing factory remote. Just press the lock button 3 times to activate. The range is the same as your car's existing locking system. What we like. This remote starter offers a quick and easy plug-and-play installation process. It's specifically designed for Honda Civics, ensuring compatibility and a smooth setup. If you own a Honda Civic and want a hassle-free installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Installation was very simple. The hardest part was putting the steering wheel trim back with the extra wiring in place. I really like that there is no wire splicing involved, simply plug it in and do a quick programming sequence. It uses the factory key fob, no extra device required. This was way easier to install than the video showed. I was able to lace the wiring harness down the steering column and to the left behind the fuse box. Everything fit snug and nice and was easy to reassemble. Took about 20 minutes. This product is exactly what it's supposed to be. An easy, plug-and-play remote start. No BS, no extra wiring, worked flawless as soon as it was set up. Easy setup with step-by-step instructions too. Connectors fit well, plenty of harness, clear instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.